Hello guys, let's start our lesson about multiplying decimal by standard algorithm. Here we have to make multiplying between two numbers. So let's talk about what is the difference between multiplying and multiplying decimals. Here we have 4 times 3 equal 12. What happens if I make 0.4 multiply 3? Here we have 1 decimal place and here we have 0 decimal place. So the answer will be also 12, but I'm look here to the number. Here we have 1 decimal up, so 1 plus nothing here. It will be in the answer also 1 decimal place from the right. I'm gonna make from the right 1 decimal place, so it will be 1.2. How to make multiply two decimals? Let's see another example. If we have 2.45 multiplied by 0.7. First, if we make multiplying 245 times 7, the answer is 1715. This is if I make any two numbers normal without any decimals. What happened if I have the same number by decimals? 2.45 times 0.7. It will be also the same answer, but with decimal. Here I'm gonna look here to the number. Here we have 2 decimal places and here we have 1 decimal place. So I'm gonna add 2 plus 1 equal 3. So the answer must be 3 decimal places from the right. Let's count 1, 2, 3. So a decimal point will be 1.715. Let's solve together another examples. Here we have 2.5 multiplied by 3. So first I'm gonna start with here 1 decimal place. Let's put and remind myself that I have only here 1 decimal place. Do you see here any decimal? No, so I'm gonna write 0 decimal place. Now let's start 3 multiply 5 equal 15. So I'm gonna write 5 and carry up 1. 3 multiply 2 equals 6 plus 1 equal 7. Now I'm gonna put the decimal. Here 1 decimal. Here 0. 1 plus 0 equal 1. So I'm gonna put the decimal place from the right. I will move 1 decimal place from the right. So it will be 7.5. In exercise B, 4.54 multiplied by 16. So first let's write. Here we have how many decimals? Here we have 2 decimal places. And here, do you see here any decimal places? No, so I'm gonna write 0 decimal place. Now let's start from the ones. 6, I'm gonna write 1 sentence to remind myself. 6 multiply 4 equal 24. So I'm gonna write 4 and carry up 2. 6 multiply 5 equal 30 plus 2 equal 32. So I'm gonna write 2 and carry up 3. Then 6 multiply 4 equal 24 plus 3 equal 27. And now I'm gonna put here the 0 under the first place. I'm gonna save the place here by put 0. Then let's start the tens. 1 multiply 4. I will cross 6. Then I'm use now 1 multiply 4 equal 4. 1 multiply 5 equal 5 and 1 multiply 4 equal 4. Let's make adding. 4 plus 0 equal 4 and 2 plus 4 equals 6. 7 plus 5 equal 12. 2 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2 plus 4 equal 7. Now let's put the decimal places. Here 2 and here 0. 2 plus 0 equal 2 decimal places. So let's put the decimal places from the right. 1, 2. So it will be 72.64. The next, 2.43 multiplied by 6.9. Let's see. Here we have how many decimal places? I have here 2 decimal places. And here I have 1 decimal place. Let's start. I'm going to write here ones and tens. Let's start from the ones. 9 multiply 3 equal 27. So I'm going to write 7 and carry up 2. 9 multiply 4, 36 plus 2 equal 38. So I'm going to write 8 and carry up 3. 9 multiply 2 equal 18 plus 3 equal 21. Now I will cross here 9 and let's start the tens. 6. Here I will make multiply by 3, but first of all we have to put the 0 down under the first digit of the ones. And now let's write 6 multiply 3 equal 18. 8 and carry up 1. 6 multiply 4 equal 24 plus 1 equal 25. 5 and carry up 2. Now 6 multiply 2 equal 12 plus 2 13 14. Yes, I'm gonna write all 14. Let's make adding. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 8 plus 8 equals 16. 6 and carry up 1. 1 plus 1 plus 5 equal 7. And 2 plus 4 equal 6. And drop the 1 down. So it will be 16,767. Let's put the decimal point. Here we have 2 decimal places and 1 decimal place. So let's make adding. 2 plus 1 equal 3. So I'm gonna put the decimal point after 3 places from the right. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So the answer will be 16.767. Let's solve another exercise. Here we have 3.5 multiplied by 31. Let's write in the draft 31 times 3.5. Now let's write 31. Here I have 0 decimal place. 0.5 I have here 1 decimal place. Now let's start from the ones. So I'm going to write one sentence to remind myself. Now 5 multiply 1 equal 5 and 5 multiply 3 equal 15. Now I will cross here 5 and start with 3. And don't forget to put 0 under the 5. Now 3 multiply 1 equal 3 and 3 multiply 3 equal 9. Then make adding. 5 plus 0 equal 5 and 5 plus 3 equal 8. 1 plus 9 equal 10. Now let's put the decimal point. Here we have 0 decimal place plus 1 decimal place, so it will be 1 decimal place. So let's start, put the 1 decimal place from the right. So let's count 1 and stop. So it will be 108.5. Exercise B. I can do it mentally without any draft. Here we have 0.02 times 0.4. So ignore that you have here 0 and ask yourself, here we have 2 decimal places and here I have 1 decimal place. Then let's make 2 multiply 4 equal 8. So the decimal place will be 2 plus 1 equal 3 decimal places. So I'm gonna put the decimal places from the right. Let's count 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And put the decimal point and replace the empty places by zeros. So it will be 0.008. Thank you for listening and I hope you enjoyed the video.